We can discuss one more example related with alpha beta pruning. We got a game tree. We have to apply alpha beta pruning to find which nodes will be pruned. Here the root player P is a max player. P has three choices: Q, R and S. In order to make decision at P, it has to traverse depth first until a terminal state is found or n number of lookaheads are reached. Now we got a terminal state T and the evaluation gives value 3. This value is backed up, and since Q is a min player, it got a value 3. This min player can give a value less than or equal to 3. So beta up to now is 3. So it again traversed this path, got a value 4, and this value is given back. Now we can finalize beta as 3. This min player select 3 from 3 and 4. This value beta equal to 3 is given back to here. P is a max player. This max player got a value 3. So this P can expect a value greater than or equal to 3. In order to make decision, it starts searching again as depth first manner. When it reached V, an evaluation function returns the value 5. That value is given back. R is a min player. So R can give a value less than or equal to 5. P is expecting a value greater than or equal to 3 and R can give a value less than or equal to 5. So we have to continue searching depth first manner. When we reached Y, we got a value 3 and X is a max player. So this X expect a value greater than or equal to 3. Now we have to find whether the value provided by X is 3, 4, 5 or like that. We have to again traverse this path. So we got a value 2. Here at X, we can finalize the value of alpha as 3. At node R, going through this path through X gives a value 3 only. So we can update this value as less than or equal to 3. Now check here. P is expecting a value greater than or equal to 3. Going through this R can give a value less than or equal to 3. P never want a value equal to 3 or worse than 3 because P already got a path with cost 3. So there is no need of traversing this path again because there is no chance of P selecting the term R. So we can prune this path. Now let's see what happens here. To make decision, it has to go depth first. It has reached, search has reached S. S is a min player. It has reached D and the evaluation function returns 2. That value is given back to here. As this is a min player, it can give a value less than or equal to 2. But here P is expecting a value greater than or equal to 3. S can give only a value equal to 2 or less than 2. So P P never wants to go path S. Here the condition alpha greater than or equal to beta happens. Here the beta value is, best value we got here is 2 and here the alpha value is 3. So this condition is satisfied. So we can prune this part. After applying alpha beta pruning in this game tree, we came to a conclusion that traversing this part of game tree is not necessary. Also, traversing this part of game tree is not necessary. That means we can prune off the nodes B, C and E.